Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the IP class today. And in this morning, you guys are still with me, Teacher Patrick. My name is Teacher Patrick, and I will be your IP teacher for this academic year. First up, let's review our class rules. There are some class rules that everybody needs to follow strictly. Number one, when I start teaching, when I start speaking, everybody needs to stop talking. You guys need to stop talking when I start speaking and listen very carefully. No more talking, no more noises. And number two, when I have some questions, I will ask you to unmute your microphone. When I have some games to play with you, I will ask you to unmute your microphone and we can interact with each other and we can play games, we can express our ideas or exchange our ideas together. Number three, let's do some exercise at the end of the class. Number four, let's take a photo of your exercise. When you finish your homework, you have to capture or take a photo of your homework. And number five, upload them to the Light album. And all of these are our class rules that we need to follow strictly. Now, our today's IP class is about to start. Are you ready? 5, zoom, 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 zoom. 4, zoom, 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 zoom. 3, zoom, 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 2, zoom, 1. Let's go. Scientific method. Scientific method is the topic for today. The topic for today is scientific method. Everybody say scientific method. Scientific method. Everybody, let's take a look at these pictures. There is a girl in the class. This girl is doubting about the scientist who discovered the human evolution. Who is that scientist that discovered the human evolution? And then she starts searching on the Google. She starts searching for the information through the Google. Sometimes she searches for the information by reading books, maybe in the library, or even sometimes she just asks her teacher in the classroom. Searching through the Google, reading books in the library, or even asking the questions in the classroom are ways to reach the information. All of these are examples of reaching the answers. And everybody, let's take a look at this. There are 3 ways that she uses to find the answer. Number 1, searching through the Google. Number 2, reading books. And number 3, asking the questions in the classroom. All of these are examples of scientific method. And finally, she knows that Charles Darwin is the scientist who discovered the human evolution. Everybody, that is Charles Darwin. He is a scientist who discovered the human evolution. We all know that all humans come from the monkeys. In the ancient time, there were monkeys, and later, when the time has passed, the monkeys has become humans as we are today. What is scientific method? What is scientific method? The scientific method is the systematic study of natural world through observation and experiment. We will get critical thinking and problem-solving skills from this method because we can provide proof and test the evidences through the experiments. Everybody, let's take a look at this. Here are some scientific methods. Step 1, observation. observation, observation. Everybody say observation. Good job, good job, good job. Observation. Observation means to check something by your eyes, okay? To check something by using your eyes. You have a question, and then you start checking. You have a question, and then you start checking. That is in step 1, observation. Have a question and check. Have a question and check by using your eyes. And here is the question. And everybody, let's take a look at this. hypothesis. Hypothesis. Everybody say hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Okay, one more time. Hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Okay. Hypothesis. And next, experiment. Experiment. And that is conclusion. And the last one, results. Everybody, here are the 5 steps of the scientific method. Here are the 5 steps of scientific method. Step 1, observation. Observation. It means to observe and question. Step 2, hypothesis forming. Hypothesis forming is to guess. Step 3, hypothesis checking. Hypothesis checking is to record, plan, and check. Step 4, data analysis and interpretation. It means to accept or reject something. Show me your hands. Everybody, let's follow me. ACCEPT. Accept. Okay. And REJECT. Reject. Accept. Reject. Accept. Reject. Okay, one more time. Show me your hands. Everybody, let's show me your hands. Show me your hands. 3, 2, go. Accept. Reject. Accept. Reject. Very good. One more time. 3, 2, go. Accept. Reject. Everybody, that is accept. Accept. And that is reject. Reject. Good job. Next. The 5th step, the 5th step is conclusion. The last one is conclusion. It means to conclude and recommend. It means to conclude and recommend. All of these are the 5 processes of scientific method. There are 3 ways to check the hypothesis. Collecting data. It is the process of gathering and measuring information. Exploration. It is the process of traveling to an area to get information. Experiment. It is the scientific procedures to do and to make the discovery. Collecting data, exploration, and experiment. We need 3 things in hypothesis checking process. Number 1, procedures, step-by-step process of doing experiment. Number 2, materials, things used in the experiment. Number 3, variables, conditions in the different amount or types. Everybody, let's take a look at the pictures below. The first picture represents procedures. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Picture number 2. is about the materials or the objects or the things that are used in the study. And everybody, let's take a look at picture number 3, the variables. The variables are the conditions in different amount or types. Everybody, today's focus is about variables. Variables. Everybody say variables. Variables. Okay, can you guys unmute your microphone and speak with me? 3 to go. Variables.
Variable.
Very good, Sirapasan. There are 3 types of variables. The first one is called dependent.
Dependent.
Variables.
Variable.
Dependent variables.
Dependent variable.
Good job, good job. Next. Number 2, independent. One more time, independent.
Independent
Variables.
variables.
Independent variables.
Independent variables.
Okay. And number 3, control variables.
Control variables.
Okay, good job, good job. One more time. We have 3 types of variables. Number 1, dependent variables. Number 2, independent variables. And number 3, control variables. Everybody, let's take a look at this picture. There are 2 girls. There are 2 girls in the picture. The first girl is slim and the second one is fat. Why they have different shapes? It is because of food, yes or no? Is it because of food? The girl with a strong and slim body always takes healthy food. Meanwhile, the second one, the fat one, always takes junk food. For example, French fries, popcorn, donuts, pizzas, or other types of food that have so much fat. Is it because of food that defines the difference of their health or their bodies? Does food affect the weight? Does healthy food and junk food affect the weight? That is what we are going to explore. Everybody, number 1, dependent variables. Dependent variables means what we are going to check. What we check, it is food. What we're checking is about the food. We are checking the food, okay? We are checking the food. Number 2, independent variables. Independent variables means what is the answer? What is the answer? And the answer is the increase of weight. The increase of weight. And number 3, control variables. It means what we have to control to remain in the same condition. Age, how old are they? Height, how tall are they? And sleeping time, how many hours do they have for sleeping each day? Everybody, I have some questions. What is the dependent variable in this study? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It is the what we are checking. What we are checking. We check the food. Okay, food. We are checking the food. We are checking the food. And number two. Everybody, what is the independent variable in this study? What is answer for this study? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. The increase of weight, And number 3, control variables. There are some control variables such as age, height, and sleeping time. Everybody, let's take a look at this example. The bean sprout. We are checking whether the sunlight affects the growth of bean sprout. Everybody, let's take a look at the bean sprouts on your right-hand side and on your left-hand side. The ones on your right-hand side have a tall and big body, right? The bean sprout with sunlight, they receive sunlight every day, so they grow taller and bigger and stronger. And at the same time, the bean sprout on your left-hand side are the ones without sunlight. They don't receive sunlight, so they have become smaller. Does sunlight affect the growth of bean sprouts? And the dependent variables, what we check, we are checking sunlight, we are checking the sunlight. And number two, independent variables. It means what is the answer? And the answer is about the growth of bean sprouts, the growth of bean sprouts. And number three, the control variables. It means what we control. We control soil, water, and pot. We have to remember all of these things to be in the same condition. Everybody, what is the dependent variables in this study? Sometimes what we are checking, everybody, what we are checking, we are checking the sunlight. Okay, we are checking the sunlight. And number two, independent variables. Independent variables. What is the answer? What is the answer of this study? What is the answer of this study? The growth of bean sprouts. The growth of bean sprouts. And number three, control variables. There are things that we need to remain the same. We have to make them in the same condition for this study, such as soil, water, and pots. Everybody, now let's move on to the next topic. It is about measuring tools and its usage. Everybody say measuring tools. One more time, measuring tools and its usage. Okay. Everybody, let's take a look at all of these pictures. The first picture is it's a scale. Everybody say scale. Hello, hello.
Scale.
Very good, very good. One more time. 3, 2, go. Scale.
Scale.
It's a scale.
It's a scale.
That's amazing. That's amazing. It is used to measure weight. Okay. W-E-I-G-H-T. For example, 10 kilograms, 20 kilograms. That is a scale. That is a scale. Okay. It is used to measure weight. Next. Everybody, what is the name of this object? Tick tock, tick tock. Do you guys have any ideas about this? Tick tock, tam. Voltmeter. Everybody, is a voltmeter. Voltmeter.
Voltmeter.
Very good, very good. One more time. Voltmeter.
Voltmeter.
Yes, it is a voltmeter. It is used to measure voltage. It is used to measure voltage. Everybody, what is this item? It's
a ruler.
It's a ruler. Yes. Can you guys spell ruler? R U L E N R, right? It's a ruler. It is used to measure length. It is used to measure length. Time. Everybody, what is the name of this item? What is it? Tick tock. Pro. Come on, Varangrat. Can you guess? Siripasan, Kapun, hello. What is the answer? It's a protractor. Very good, protractor. Good job. Okay, that's okay. One more time. Protractor.
Protractor.
Okay, is a protractor. It is used to measure angles. It is used to measure angles. Everybody, how about this item? What is the name of this item? More. Thermometer. Everybody say thermometer.
Thermometer.
Very good. Is a thermometer. Is a thermometer. It is used to measure temperature. Everybody say temperature.
Temperature.
That's perfect. That's perfect. One more time. 3 to go. Temperature.
Temperature.
Yes, for example, 40 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius. All of these are the temperature. Wow. Green, 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 green. Tick tock, tick tock. Everybody, what is the name of this item? It's a tick tock, tick. It's a clock. Everybody say clock.
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 Yes, it is used to measure time. Okay, it is used to measure time. Everybody, let's take a look at this. The clock is used to measure time. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. The protractor is used to measure angles. Clock, time, thermometer, temperature, protractor, angles. Wow, everybody, can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer? The clock. What is the answer? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time, very good. Tam. Come on. Time, good job. Next up, number 2, thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Everybody say temperature. Very good, Mahathir, Siripasan, Moranrat. And the last one, everybody. The protractor. The protractor is used to measure. The protractor is used to measure. Angles. Yes, angles. One more time. Everybody say clock. Time. Thermometer. Temperature. Protractor. Angles. Well done. Next. Wow, everybody. The ruler is used to measure length. The ruler is used to measure length. The voltmeter is used to measure voltage. And the scale is used to measure weight. Ruler, length, voltmeter, voltage, voltmeter, voltage, scale, weight. Next. Everybody, I have some questions for you all to answer. Ruler. Length, okay. Length. Number 2, the voltmeter. Voltage, that's perfect, Mika. And the last one, scale. Weight, that's amazing. The ruler is used to measure length. The voltmeter is used to measure voltage. On the scale, it's used to measure weight. That's great. Everybody, now it's time for your book. Let's open your book to page 21. Open your book. Come on, Mahathir, come on, get up. And let's open your book to page 21. Let's open your book to page 21. ภูมิพัฒน์มิการนิชนันเกรซอภิชยาข้าวปุ้นพัชยากรภัทรกรอภิชยาเสโสพิมพ์ชมัยปัญญาพรทิติพรปัณณวิทย์สินแพง Come on let's open your book to page 21 page 21 okay page 21 are you ready
Yes. Yes, I am.
that's amazing that's amazing ทำoh my goodness everybody let's draw a line match the pictures with their answers correctly number one thermometer number one thermometer is used to measure temperature everybody draw a line boo match thermometer to temperature tick tock tick tock finished
Finish.
that's amazing number two the clock everybody what is the answer
Time.
time that's perfect so you match the clock to the time finished
Finish.
good job number three protractor is used to measure angle that's amazing protractor is used to measure the angles and number four the voltmeter everybody what is the answer
Which?
voltage
Oh,
the voltmeter is used to measure the voltage and the last one the kitchen scale everybody the kitchen scale
Which?
weight very good kapun the kitchen scale is used for measuring weight thermometer clock protractor voltmeter and kitchen scale have you finished
Finish.
that's amazing everybody now let's move on to page 22 let's open your book to page 22 there are 5 processes of scientific method observation observe and question hypothesis forming guess hypothesis checking record plan and check data analysis and interpretation accept reject and the last one number 5 conclude and recommend exercise 1c match the words to the correct answers for example number 1 observe is a observation let's check number 2 question A, observation, B, hypothesis forming, C, hypothesis checking, D, data analysis and interpretation, or E, conclusion. A, B, C, D, or E. Number 2, question. Okay. A, question is in the step of observation. When you have question, you can start observing something. And number 3, record is in observation A, B, C, D, or E. Mahathep, come on, what is your answer? Kapun, what is your answer?
D.
Okay, tam. C, hypothesis checking. Nice try anyway. Write it down. And number 4, everybody, plan. It is A, B, C, D, or E?
B.
C, hypothesis checking. Right C for number 4. And number 5, accept is in the step of A, B, C, D, or E?
A.
Are you sure? Accept.
B.
Accept. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Time. D, data analysis and interpretation. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finished?
Finish.
Good job. Next. Let's move on to number 6. Recommend is in the step of observation, hypothesis forming, hypothesis checking, data analysis and interpretation or conclusion. A, B, C, D, or E? tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. From time. E, conclusion, conclusion. And number 7, guess. Which picture do you want to open? Guess. Is in A, B, C, D, or E?
B.
Perfect. That's perfect. B, hypothesis forming. And number 8, check. To check. Is in the state of A, B, C, D, or E?
B. C.
Tam. C. That's perfect. ขอบคุณ Nice try, round right. And number 9, conclude. Conclude means it nearly to stop because you get the result. It is in A, B, C, D, or E.
D.
E, conclusion. And the last one, number 10, reject. Number 10, reject. A, B, C, D, or E? 5, 4, 3, 2,
D.
go. Tam.
D.
Oh, okay. D, data analysis and interpretation. Finished.
Finish.
Okay, let me check other students. Mahathe finished. Hello. And Mika, Pumpat, Nishanan, Face finished. Sirapasan, Abhishya, Pishakon, Tharakon finished. Good job. Panyapon, Abhishya, Pimshamai, Tipon. Panawit finished. Have you finished? Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next part. Everybody, let's open your book to page 23. Page 23. Page 23. Okay. Hypothesis: the plants that get water grow better than the plants that get no water. What is the dependent variables? Everybody, what we are checking? We are checking we are checking the I'm sorry. Okay, number one. Let's check number one. Number one, the answer is sunlight. We are checking the sunlight. Okay. And what is the answer? The independent variables. Oh, I'm sorry. Everybody, no. Water. I'm sorry. Number one, the answer is water. And the independent variables is the growth of plant, the growth of plants. The growth of plants with water and with no water. Okay, have you finished?
Finish.
That's great. All right, let's move on to number 2. Number 2, everybody, let's check number 2. Hypothesis: the plants with fertilizer grow better than the plants without the fertilizer. What is the dependent variable? Fertilizer. That's perfect. Wow. And number 2, what is the independent variable? The The growth of plants, okay? The growth of plants, the growth of plants. The growth of plants. Okay, finished.
Finish.
That's amazing. Number 3, Cindy, who has ice cream every day, is fatter than herself when she doesn't have ice cream. So what is the dependent variable?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. That's amazing, Kapun. And what is the independent variable? The increase of weight, okay? The increase of weight. She has become fatter because of ice cream. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Finished? Have you finished? 5, 4.
Finish.
3, 2, 1. Let's open the book to page 24. Everybody, let's check page 24. Part 3. Analyze the result of the experiment, then answer the following questions. Let's take a look at this. The plant with water and the plant with no water. Water and no water. The first day, the second day, and the third day. Number 2, how tall is the plant with no water on the first day? On the first day, no water. The answer is 0 centimeter. Okay, 0 centimeter. Everybody write it down now. 0. Finished?
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Good job. Next. Number 3, how tall is the plant with water on the second day? Check. Number 2. Day 2. How tall is the plant with water on the second day with water? The answer is 2.7 centimeters. 2.7 centimeters. Okay, and number 4.
Number
2. Number 2, 0. Number 2, 0. Okay. Number 3, 2.7. And number 4, how tall is the plant with no water on the second day? No water on the second day. The answer is 0.6. 0.6 centimeters. 0.6 centimeters. And number 5, how tall is the plant with water on the third day? How tall is the plant with water on the third day? The third day is here, day 3. And here is the plant with water. And the answer is
4.5.
4.5 centimeters. Okay, 4.5 centimeters. Finished? Number 5, finished?
Finish.
Good job. Number 6, how tall is the plant with water on the third day? Oh. Okay, how tall is the plant with water? No, I'm sorry.
1.6.
Okay, and number 6, it has to be 4.5. Okay, how tall is the plant with water on the third day? 4.5 centimeters. Number 7. Which plant is taller on second day? The plant with water. Okay, the plant with water is taller. And number 8, which plant is taller on third day? On the third day.
Water.
Yes, the plant with water is better and stronger and taller. Finished? Good job, good job, good job. Next. Circle the best answer. Number 9, analysis. The plant with water is taller or shorter? Is taller or shorter? Tam. Taller. Everybody circle taller. Number 9, taller. And number 10, interpretation. The plant with water grows better or worse than the plant with no water. It is better with water or worse with water? Tick tock. Tam. Better. Everybody circle better. The plants with water grow better than the plant with no water. And number 11, conclusion. We should water the plants or cut the plants to make them grow better. Tick tock. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Water. That's perfect. Kapun. Circle water. And that's it for today. We have finished everything. Have you guys finished?
Finish.
If you're happy and you finish this, clap your hands. If you're happy and you finish this, clap your hands. Good job. Next, it's time for checking student's name. I will call your name and you have to reply by saying yes. Titipon. Hello, Titipon. Are you there? Hello, Titipon. Everybody, let's unmute your microphone. Let's turn your microphone on. Titipon, hello. Titipon, are you there? Hello, Titipon. Can you open your microphone? Turn on your microphone. Hello. Okay, one more time. Titipon. Okay, Warangrat.
I'm here.
Very good. Pimshamai.
I'm here.
Very good. Panyapon.
I'm here.
Good job. Siripason.
I'm here.
Very good. Panawit.
I'm here.
Good job. Supanushnath. Hello, Supanushnath. Pritipong.
I am here.
Okay. Nishanan.
I'm here.
Okay. Pishayakon.
I'm here.
Very good. Patharakon. Hello, Patharakon. Warakan. Okay. Mahathep. Hello, Mahathep. Apishaya.
I am here.
Very good. Pumipat.
I am here.
That's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, everybody, the time has come already. Let me check your name again. Titipon. Hello, Titipon. Supanushnath. Patharakon. Hello. First, are you okay? Apishaya say so. Okay.
I am here.
Okay, the time has come already. Everybody. Bye-bye and see you again this afternoon.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Mahathep.
เนื่องจากเติม
โอเคม
หา
หา
เท
เท
พเปิด
พ
มันไม่ได้
Okay, I have checked your name, Mahathir. That's okay. That's okay. You are a person in the class. Bye bye.